Greetings to our enlightened family. Prepare to delve into the profound realm of spiritual laws and their profound influence on our existence. As we embark on this transformative journey, it is essential to grasp the significance of comprehending these laws in molding our fate. By underlining the universal applicability of these spiritual laws, we aim to captivate and involve viewers in this exploration. Let us set the stage for a deep dive into the intricate web of spiritual principles that govern our lives and hold the key to unlocking our true potential. Through this journey, we will unravel the mysteries of the universe and discover how these laws can shape our reality and guide us towards a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Join us as we navigate through the profound wisdom embedded in these spiritual laws and uncover the profound impact they can have on every aspect of our being. Together, we will explore the interconnectedness of these laws and how they resonate with the very core of our existence, offering insights and revelations that can transform our perception of the world around us. Get ready to expand your consciousness and embrace the power of these spiritual laws as we embark on a journey of self-discovery and enlightenment. By understanding and applying these universal principles, we can align ourselves with the natural flow of the universe and manifest our deepest desires with clarity and intention. So let us embark on this enlightening voyage together as we unravel the mysteries of the spiritual realm and harness the transformative potential of these timeless laws. Let us delve into the profound concept of unbreakable spiritual laws that govern the very fabric of our existence. These timeless laws have a profound influence on shaping our reality, transcending boundaries of time and space. It is crucial to recognize the enduring nature of these laws and their unwavering impact on the world around us, guiding us towards a deeper understanding of our purpose and connection to the universe. Throughout history, ancient mystics and philosophers have played a pivotal role in safeguarding and disseminating this sacred wisdom, passing down the knowledge of these spiritual laws from generation to generation. Their dedication to preserving this profound wisdom has allowed us to tap into the universal truths embedded within these laws, offering us a roadmap to navigate the complexities of life with clarity and insight. By emphasizing the universal and impartial nature of these spiritual laws, we come to realize that they operate without bias or discrimination, applying to all beings regardless of their background or beliefs. These laws serve as a guiding light, illuminating the path towards self-discovery and spiritual growth, inviting us to align our actions and intentions with the greater harmony of the cosmos. As we embark on this exploration of the unbreakable spiritual laws that govern our existence, we are invited to reflect on the profound wisdom passed down through the ages and consider how we can integrate these timeless principles into our daily lives. By embracing the universal truths embodied in these laws, we can cultivate a deeper sense of connection to the world around us and unlock the transformative power they hold to elevate our consciousness and expand our understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. Let us unravel the intricate connection between our thoughts, actions, and the outcomes we manifest in our lives. Picture the mind as a garden where thoughts are the seeds we plant, each thought carrying the potential to bloom into reality. It is crucial to grasp the analogy of the mind as a fertile ground where the seeds of our thoughts take root and grow, shaping the landscape of our experiences. Positive thoughts act as nourishing seeds, fostering growth and abundance in our lives, while negative thoughts can act as weeds, choking out the potential for positivity and success. By emphasizing the profound impact of our thoughts on our reality, we are reminded of the power we hold to cultivate a mindset that aligns with our deepest desires and aspirations. Viewers are encouraged to be mindful of the thoughts they nurture within their minds, recognizing the transformative influence these thoughts can have on their overall well-being and success. By tending to the garden of our minds with care and intention, we can sow the seeds of positivity, gratitude, and resilience, cultivating a fertile ground for our dreams to flourish. As we navigate the complexities of life, it is essential to remain vigilant of the thoughts we allow to take root within us, understanding that our internal dialogue shapes the external world we inhabit. Let us embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment, harnessing the wisdom of this analogy to cultivate a mindset that nurtures growth, resilience, and abundance. Together, let us sow the seeds of positivity and mindfulness, reaping a harvest of fulfillment and joy in our lives. Let us delve into the profound significance of focus in sculpting the reality we inhabit. Our thoughts serve as powerful magnets, drawing in energies that resonate with their frequency, shaping the experiences and outcomes we encounter. Just as in quantum physics, where conscious observation influences the behavior of particles, our focused attention directs the course of events in our lives. By aligning our focus with positivity and desired outcomes, we can harness the transformative power of our thoughts to manifest a reality that mirrors our deepest intentions and aspirations. Viewers are urged to recognize the immense influence their focus wields in shaping their reality, understanding that the energy they emit through their thoughts reverberates outward, attracting corresponding circumstances and opportunities. As we navigate the complexities of existence, it is essential to cultivate a mindset that radiates positivity and optimism, anchoring our focus on the outcomes we wish to materialize. By consciously directing our attention towards that which uplifts and inspires us, we can steer the trajectory of our lives towards fulfillment and success. Let us embrace the inherent potential within us to mold our reality through the power of focused intention and unwavering belief in the possibilities that await us. Together, let us embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment, harnessing the boundless energy of our thoughts to co-create a world brimming with abundance, joy, and purpose. As we align our focus with positivity and desired outcomes, we set in motion a cascade of events that align with our highest vision for ourselves, propelling us towards a future imbued with limitless potential and infinite possibilities. Embark on a transformative journey of manifestation and goal achievement, guided by the principles of clarity, focus, and unwavering determination. Central to this process is the cultivation of a clear vision and the setting of specific, achievable goals that serve as beacons illuminating the path to success. By emphasizing the importance of defining our objectives with precision and purpose, viewers are encouraged to harness the power of intention and direction in manifesting their deepest desires. Visualization emerges as a potent tool in this journey, allowing us to imbue our goals with vivid imagery and positive emotions that amplify the resonance of our intentions in the universe. Through the practice of visualizing our desired outcomes with clarity and conviction, we align our thoughts and emotions with the energy of manifestation, paving the way for our dreams to materialize with grace and ease. It is essential to infuse our visualizations with genuine, heartfelt emotions that mirror the joy and fulfillment we anticipate upon achieving our goals, thereby magnetizing these experiences towards us with greater potency and speed. As we navigate the process of manifestation and goal attainment, viewers are urged to take intentional and consistent action towards their objectives, recognizing that each step taken brings them closer to the realization of their aspirations. By committing to a practice of focused effort and perseverance, we fortify our resolve and deepen our connection to the outcomes we seek, propelling us towards success with unwavering momentum. Let us embark on this journey of transformation together, armed with clarity, visualization, and purposeful action, as we unlock the boundless potential within us to manifest our dreams and create a life brimming with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. delving into the profound concept of trusting the process in the manifestation of desires, guided by a deep belief in the benevolence of the universe and its alignment with our heartfelt aspirations. Central to this journey is the act of surrendering outcomes while remaining steadfast in taking inspired action towards our goals. By cultivating a sense of trust in the inherent harmony of the cosmos and the divine orchestration of events in our favor, viewers are encouraged to release attachment to specific outcomes and instead focus on aligning their intentions with the flow of universal energy. Surrender emerges as a powerful practice in this process, allowing us to relinquish control and embrace the wisdom of divine timing, knowing that our desires are being woven into the fabric of reality with precision and care. As we navigate the complexities of manifestation, it is essential to view challenges not as obstacles, but as opportunities for growth and transformation. By reframing setbacks and difficulties as catalysts for learning and evolution, we shift our perspective from one of resistance to one of acceptance and empowerment. Embrace each challenge as a stepping stone on the path to realizing your dreams, knowing that each hurdle surmounted brings you closer to the fulfillment of your deepest desires. Let us embark on this journey of trust and surrender together, guided by the unwavering belief in the universe's infinite wisdom and benevolence. By relinquishing the need for control and embracing the flow of life with open hearts and minds, we invite miracles to unfold and blessings to abound in our lives. Trust in the process, surrender to the journey, and watch as the universe conspires in your favor to manifest your desires with grace and abundance. Explore the profound impact of words in shaping not only our reality, but also our relationships, recognizing their power to empower, encourage, and forge deep connections between individuals. Words possess the ability to uplift spirits, inspire hearts, and bridge the gaps between souls, serving as potent tools for fostering understanding and empathy. Central to this understanding is the concept of self-talk and its profound influence on our self-perception and the reality we inhabit. By recognizing the significance of the words we speak to ourselves, viewers are urged to cultivate a dialogue of self-compassion, positivity, and empowerment, nurturing a mindset that aligns with their highest potential and aspirations. Our internal dialogue serves as a mirror reflecting back the beliefs we hold about ourselves and the world around us, shaping our perception of reality and influencing the outcomes we manifest. It is essential to use words mindfully, both in our interactions with others and in the conversations we have with ourselves, recognizing the transformative power they hold to create a positive impact on our lives and the lives of those around us. By choosing our words with care and intention, we can sow seeds of kindness, understanding, and love that have the potential to blossom into profound connections and meaningful relationships. Let us embark on a journey of mindful communication and conscious expression, guided by the understanding that our words have the power to shape our reality and elevate the human experience. Through the practice of using words to uplift, inspire, and connect, we can co-create a world brimming with compassion, authenticity, and harmony, where every interaction becomes an opportunity for growth, healing, and transformation. In summary, we have explored the profound realm of spiritual laws and their impact on shaping our reality, emphasizing the importance of understanding and applying these universal principles in our daily lives. By delving into the interconnectedness of these laws and their timeless nature, we have uncovered the transformative potential they hold to guide us towards a more fulfilling and purposeful existence. If you're feeling extra generous and want to support our channel, consider sending a super thanks by clicking on button right below this video or the three dots. It looks like a heart within a dollar sign. By clicking on it, you can choose to make a small contribution to our channel. Your contribution helps us to keep bringing you valuable content and fuels our passion for creating. We're grateful for your support and can't wait to see your super thanks messages. Viewers are encouraged to reflect on the main takeaways discussed, recognizing the power of thoughts, actions, and focus in manifesting desires, as well as the significance of trust, surrender, and mindful communication in shaping our relationships and experiences. To continue this journey of self-discovery and empowerment, we invite viewers to subscribe, like, and share the video for further exploration and engagement with these profound concepts. By spreading the wisdom shared, we can create a ripple effect of positive change and growth in the lives of others, fostering a community of like-minded individuals dedicated to personal and spiritual development. Lastly, we inspire viewers to take action and apply the insights gained to transform their lives, embracing the power within them to manifest their dreams, cultivate meaningful relationships, and create a reality aligned with their highest aspirations. Let us embark on this journey of self-transformation together, armed with the knowledge and wisdom of spiritual laws, as we navigate the complexities of existence with grace, intention, and a deep sense of purpose. By integrating these principles into our daily practices and interactions, we can unlock the limitless potential within us and co-create a world brimming with love, abundance, and harmony.